It is bike check time. This is my 2020 Cro-Mag Root Down. I love this thing. It goes fast for a hardtail. I got me some new grips. Trying those out today. Have 150 millimeters of fork travel. We have a little bit of some signs of use. Dropper seat. I didn't have that whenever I was growing up. Those are the best thing since sliced bread. I just got me some brand new tires. They're doing great. 12 speed, and most mountain bike people will know that 12 speeds are not that new, but I was just getting back into mountain biking not long ago, and I was not aware of the single one-by drivetrain. All this new stuff is pretty sweet.